Okay, the other problem I've been having with this machine is this little front panel board is loose. What that results in is when you plug something into one of the front USB sockets, the entire socket essentially disappears into the machine and you can't get anything plugged in. And if it moves far enough, it also prevents the power button from working, which is a pretty major inconvenience. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull this board out and have a look at what's going on. If memory serves, this machine, it's either this one or the other one I have. One of them, it was either pretty beaten up before it came to me, or it took a beating on the way to me. So in fact, looking at the alignment there, I'm going to say this is the one that took the beating, so it's perhaps not surprising they got this kind of issue. Remove that retention screw. Just remove those receivers from the sockets. Okay, I'm going to have to move a few things out of the way here. Okay, I've weaseled this board out as best I can without causing any damage. That little slot down there goes into a little mounting bracket that sticks out from the front panel. However, I think the major problem I'm having here is that this is actually out of alignment and that has been bent inwards as well, so I'm going to have to try my best to straighten the case out here, and I'll be back with you. Okay, so I think I've got this straightened out. Looking at the case, that is supposed to be a little bit off there. It's just the way the metal comes out to form behind the curve of the front panel. But that bracket there was severely out of position, so I used a bit of gentle persuasion from my pliers here. Fortunately didn't have to resort to the data center grade anti-static service hammer, but still perhaps a little more violent than I would have liked. But I'll get this front bezel reinstalled and then I'll test the USB ports out now, check the panel still isn't disappearing inside. Third time's a charm with all USB devices. There we go. Problem solved. Yep, power button's working. Okay, I'll just tidy these cables back up and then check the machine still works.